What's up, all my GMAT aspirants? Welcome to GMAT by PW YouTube channel. This is Amit Sora, your VRC expert. Okay, so our Super 100 is going on in full steam. Today, let's look at another awesome concept that is called as boldface. Last time, if you remember, people, we had done paradox in arguments and uske questions. Today, we are looking at the most awesome, most controversial and the fun topic, that is boldface. Chaliye, mera naam Amit Sora hai. You can read all about me whenever you get the time. Let's get started. तो बेटा बोल्ड फेस 100% में रिमेंबर द स्टेटमेंट्स का फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई द फंक्शन. फंक्शन विल बी आइदर प्रेमाइस और कंक्लूजन. दैट्स ऑल. प्रेमाइस का मतलब होता है इट्स अ फैक्ट, it's an evidence, it's a detail, anything like that. Conclusion matlab something that concludes. ठीक है. And then beta remember also check for the tone. Tone will be, it's either positive or negative. Positive होगा तो there'll be additional words like moreover, also, additionally. Negative होगा तो there'll be negative words such as however, yet, but. Let's get started. ठीक है. So people, again what I'm going to do is I hope you can make out that the bold bold part, which is highlighted part, is a bit fatter and bigger. You have to tell me the two bold faced portions play which of the following roles. So first solve on your own, pause the video, unpause it, and then we'll solve together. Here we go. So if you want, I'll just quickly do this for you all. This is statement 1, and people, of course, this is statement 2. Chaliye. People, now let's solve it together. Everybody, please pay attention. First one, if you observe, is clearly stating a fact. ठीक है? It's obviously a kind of a statement. Second wala, if you observe, clearly is concluded that. ठीक है? Beta, even though it is saying the question has been raised whether, but concluded that matlab it's a conclusion. Acha. So people, 100% if you say support for the conclusion, this is not the case. ठीक है? People, if the second one calls that conclusion into question, we'll have to figure that out. ठीक है? Conclusion into question, figure it out. ठीक है? Each provides support for the conclusion. No. Why? Because the second is the conclusion. Now you have to decide whether it is being called into question or not. Look at the magic. So beta, यहाँ पे अगर आप देखते हो, the answer is yes. The question has been raised. The answer is yes. That means it is in agreement. Your argument is in agreement. That means beta, it is not into question, not into question. Bacha ek option, and that is how you get to solve it. And let's read the option. Provide support for the conclusion of the argument. So it's a fact or a statement. Yes, it supports, ठीक है? Because it is stating yes also. And the second is content of that. Beta, content of the conclusion matlab conclusion. Correct answer is answer option B. It is that simple. Pay attention to the role. पहली बात तो वो जरूरी है. Pay attention to transition words and additional words. ठीक है? चलिए people, अगला सवाल फिर से, let me bracket it for you in case you're not seeing it. This is your statement 1, है ना? This is your statement 2. Be very careful of my keywords that I mentioned. चलिए people, once again let's quickly read it and understand it. पहले वाला is a statement. ठीक है? ओके चलो. अच्छा people, also ठीक है, banks, depositors, they reason that some top executives, financial soundness, those worrisome rumors must be false. Such reasoning might well be over optimistic. However, beta keyword आ गया. That means it's transition. Since thak 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 thak, that means the two statements are not in agreement with each other. क्योंकि आ गया. ठीक है? That means people, questioning that support looks good. अच्छा. People, the second states a contrary conclusion. That is the main conclusion. We don't know whether it is a main conclusion. Also, people, are we saying contrary? Contrary matlab doesn't. So this is a question mark, not sure. Second states that conclusion. बेटा इसका मतलब neutral हो गया और supportive हो गया, जो नहीं है, गलत है, because it's calling into question. Explanation that the argument seeks to establish goes away because it is however, transition word. ठीक है? So बेटा उल्टा तो हो रहा है. Same evidence in support of the explanation also goes away. That's all. Don't lose your sleep over एक word and kind of dying. Just look at tone of the both and the role of the both. First वाला आ जाओ. The first describes evidence, I love it, statement that has been taken as supporting a conclusion. ठीक है? So people, क्या several of a bank's executives has been buying. Banks depositors who had been worried that the fast pace have been greatly relieved. So it is supporting. The second gives a reason for questioning. I love it. So people, reason, देखो बेटा, reason and reason, keyword match. ठीक है? For questioning, however, that support, because they have been known to buy in a company to dispel negative rumors. A looks brilliant as it is, खाली कीवर्ड मैच करके. B में बेटा, B में फर्स्ट पार्ट तो सेम है. The second states a contrary conclusion. That is the main conclusion. No. How is it contrary? It's questioning it, yes. It is not contrary. That is why A is the correct answer. Did you observe how I went step by step by step? I simply look at options ka either of the two parts and I establish the role and the tone pehle. And if you still did not understand, answer explanations are given. Please refer. ठीक है? चलिए बेटा, you're doing very well. अगला सवाल, I'll highlight it for you just in case. This यहाँ से लेके है यहाँ तक, and the second part is यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. ठीक है? Come on people, let's try. चलिए बेटा, once again, very straightforward. Don't lose your head over something like what are whiplash injuries. It's just a type of injuries. ठीक है? Now people, look at the magic. पहला is a statement. Reports of having suffered are twice as frequent. क्या बात है? ठीक है? Although no objective test is there, ठीक है? It cannot be nevertheless. Transition word. खत्म. That's all. That's all. That means these two statements are not aligned to each other. आ जाओ. ठीक है? The first is a claim that the argument disputes. Second is a conclusion that has been based on that claim. बेटा बिल्कुल भी गलत है. Because both of them are disputing each other only. So they are not disputing some other claim. B. First is a claim that has been used to support the argument, except second is that not at all. Both of them are not supporting anything together. They are both against each other. C. First is evidence that has been used to support, for which the argument provides further evidence. Second is the main conclusion. No sir, they are again because of nevertheless in transition. ठीक है? First is a finding whose implications are at issue in the argument. Okay, because people, they are explaining also. We are not sure. Issue matlab not sure, suspicious. Acha. Second is a claim presented in order to argue against. I love it. Deriving certain implications from that finding. That is good. देखो बेटा, first वाले में क्या था? एक something else only. जो fourth वाले में है, what we are doing is there is something, some issues with this, and उसी का part of the issue are coming out in this. And if you observe, that is what it is. And they are definitely arguing against. They are at contradictions because of nevertheless. So D is completely perfect. E. First is a finding whose accuracy is evaluated. Second is evidence presented to establish. Not at all. They are against each other. Correct answer, that is why, is answer option D. Please definitely peruse this if you did not understand. Chaliye, people, everyone is doing a great job. Let's continue with full josh. Next question on your screen. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to circle the highlighted ones just in case. So ये sentence 1 है, ठीक है? And people, ये sentence 2 है. ये sentence 2 है. Come on, just use keywords and solve. चलिए, people, आ जाइए. By now, I hope you're able to solve it. Let's solve it together now. So, people, now if you observe the first sentence, the fact that the text of these Greek ones sometimes run like this, sometimes like this. Okay. ठीक है? So that means Greeks and Phoenicians का कोई तो relation था. All right. अच्छा बेटा, second sentence is यहाँ पे although है, I know, but wait, and भी है बेटा. And मतलब additional word, not transition word. Phoenician writing was originally inconsistent in direction. By the 8th century, consistent था from right to left, but ठीक है. That means there's some link which is there. That was inconsistent. This was sometimes inconsistent, sometimes consistent. But ठीक है. Magic. So people, we are not challenging anything, beta. This goes away. Because we are agreeing. we are not objecting anything, we are wondering and speculating, but we are concluding with agreement. ठीक है, वापस से ऑब्जेक्शन किधर भी नहीं हो रहा है, आपके 3 ऑप्शन स्ट्रेट अवे निकल गए. दैट्स द मैजिक. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट डीएनए. द फर्स्ट एंड द सेकंड ईच प्रोवाइड एविडेंस, मतलब प्रूफ. ठीक है, in support of the position that the argument seeks to establish. बेटा argument क्या support कर रहा है कि Greeks learned alphabetic writing from the Phoenicians. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Because there's some relation. So D looks perfectly okay to us. E. The first provides evidence in support of the position that the argument seeks to establish. First provides evidence. ठीक है. Second is that position. बेटा second is not that position because second is also evidence. ये भी proof है, ये भी proof है कि Greek and Phoenicians का learning का कुछ तो relation है, वो position तो नहीं है. And that is why correct answer was answer option D. People look at the answer explanation. Very crisp, to the point, and I hope this is making complete sense. ठीक है, चलिए people, you all are doing very well. Next question, here we go. Let's kill it. Sorry, people, let's come together and let's do it together now. ठीक है, so first sentence is just saying company is mismanaged, and second, but it is not justified. ठीक है, magic. So people, now if you say the first states the position that the argument as a whole opposes, fair. Second provides evidence. बेटा ये जो है it is not justified is evidence, matlab details and proof. It is not evidence. So people, second is evidence. No, it is evidence, matlab ki you have to prove it. We are just saying it is not justified, so it is not evidence. Second states the conclusion of the argument. Fair enough. The second provides info, doesn't provide, and second states the conclusion. Fair. तो अभी बेटा 3 ऑप्शन तो आपके निकल गए. A निकल गया, D निकल गया, ठीक है, and B निकल गया. Now there's only C and D left. Let's read. The first states the position that the argument as a whole opposes. Does it? People, we are saying company is mismanaged. ठीक है, this is the evidence, whatever, but it is not justified. People, ये पूरा part is justification against the first one. जहाँ पे we are saying A, that is not the case. So then C looks very, very good. Let's look at E. The first is evident that has been used to support. बेटा support तो नहीं है, ठीक है, because rather, but that means support तो नहीं है. So people, then this is also wrong. Correct answer is answer option C. It is literally a 1-minute job if you get down to it and you really put your head around it and use Amit sir ka technique and approach. Boldface will become super easy. चलिए इसी के साथ people, we come to the end of this short, impactful, fun solving video. I'll be back with many more. Till then, please take care, please stay safe. This is Amit sir signing off.